Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Surco Black Universal Van Ladder. I'm getting ready to show me installing it on my van. My van is black, and I really wanted a black ladder to install on the back of my van. This Surco ladder has been perfect for my van, easy to install, and it looks great. I drilled in some pilot holes for my sheet metal screws and then just screwed and attached the ladder. The installation only took probably less than 30 minutes. It came together perfect and it looks great, and it has served a fantastic purpose on my van. I can easily now get to the rooftop of my van if I need to. Here I am finishing the install, just attaching the top of the ladder to the top of the door of my van, drilling some pilot holes, and then I use the sheet metal screws and tighten them up, and that's it.
That thing is solid.
I weigh about 205 pounds, and you can see it's holding me with no problem whatsoever. I'm so happy I installed this Surco ladder on my van. It's been great. I think you'll like it too. So if you're watching this, I hope you found my video helpful.